Hey, so I'm going to do a video of what's in my fridge, and we'll start with the outside. So here's my fridge, and on the top we've got, if it'll focus, we've got cereal, oatmeal, Bacardi, sugar, flour, and in our freezer, we'll start with the doors. We've got our ice. I literally, like, the ice comes up to my forehead, so I can't see up there. We've got some frozen fruit, our anniversary cupcake, some fish food for the bait for the fish, because we got to keep it frozen, fish frozen meal. I'm not a fan of, so I'm going to make it for Dan. Oh my goodness, Victoria. Some alcohol and some tater tots. On the very top, we got some frozen meals. We've got fish and breast milk in the back. Back there is fish and breast milk. Hamburger meat, some more frozen meals. Yeah. And here we've got some corned beef, some Pedialyte Pops, some pizzas, some more tater tots, and in the back we've got more hamburger meat, more Pedialyte, another frozen meal, and steak back there frozen. And in our refrigerator, we've got our cheese, which we eat for our sandwiches, and some Velveeta. We've got some condiments, our eggs, a can of soup, which for some reason I just thought it belonged in the fridge, so I put it in the fridge. Our ranch, our sour cream, beer, barbecue sauce, and we've got blueberries, a Lunchable, lunch meat, sausage, a little bit of a yogurt back here, a kiwi, plum, sweet potato. We've got some more condiments, mandarin oranges back there, yogurt back there, our butter, our chicken, which I was supposed to make today, but we just didn't eat a Lunchable, and we ate a Lunchable instead because we were out shopping. Chips, or salsa for chips, bagels, hamburger, Pedialyte, milk, pickles, an apple, and a tomato. And I forgot, in this side we've got ham, which Dan eats for his lunch, carrots, and I got stuff to make enchiladas, which I just realized we have. Disgusting. Okay, so we got some Colby Jack cheese, so I'm going to make cheese enchiladas, chicken enchiladas, which is what the chicken's for. So that is what's in our fridge, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys later. Bye-bye.